Hi guys, Carl here from Fast Bikes magazine, here at Ultimate Sportsbike 2020, and here we have Aprilia's RSV4 1100 factory.
So this is Aprilia's 2020 RSV4 factory. It's largely the same as what's come before. Yes, we've got the wings that came in 2019. We've got a new colour scheme for this year, and we've also got the Gen 2 Öhlins electronic suspension, but that's about it. It's a corker of a bike, it's got a lovely V4 motor, it's got a frame that you would die for. It's a real beautiful handling bike. So we're going to give it a run up on the dyno now and see what it's kicking out.
The Aprilia RSV4 here, virtually identical to last year, which is good news. 205.5, right down low at 5,000 RPM. We're still getting on for 70 foot-pound, and then climbing gently but smoothly up to 89 foot-pound. Loads of torque. Power curve is this beautiful line, really is no dips, no bumps, all the way up, pulling all the way to the red line. It really did want to go all the way to, still fractionally climbing. So stunning bike, really stunning engine, and mega impressed.
Aprilia's RSV4 1100 factory. This is a corker of a bike. I think we all love it. It's been a firm favourite of fast bikes for a long time, since 2009, when the original RSV4 first came on the scene. I think the only real shame about this bike is they didn't bring these colours out when they brought the bike out last year. Blow my mind. Booby, roads?
Do you know what, this bike really does it for me on track. Like you said, the colour scheme looks sort of, shall I start
On
that
track? You're talking about the road.
Sorry mate.
Idiot!
So as a road bike, the Aprilia really does it for me. It's got bags of character, bags of torque, loads of power at the top end. It just does everything really well. The brakes are good, the electronics are good. The dash is a little bit difficult to work, you know, when you're scrolling through the modes and stuff, but it's an awesome bike, looks great. I would love to have one of these.
Frodes, how did it do against data?
It struggled a bit for me. Launching it's quite difficult. At the bottom end it's got a real chug to it. As soon as it gets going it just sings. But getting it off the line's a real struggle, and on the braking as well, I had a little bit of a mess around with the electronic suspension, but I just couldn't get it to plant without back wheel coming up, and it would, as soon as it did that, the ABS kicked in and it actually struggled on the data. Yeah,
you're right. On the track, it was fantastic. I really enjoyed it. It did have those little issues though. It was a little bit stuttery initial drive unless you kept it buzzing, and also with the braking, I picked up on that as well. But I think it's got a good frame. I think it's got a good engine, especially once you got it buzzing. The technology on it is good. It makes the bike usable. Is it the best? Maybe not, but it's a nice package, and it's made the cut, so it's coming out to Portugal.